Subscribe to Dope.
Perfect, 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 perfect. Your boy Dope here with another video. So today, guys, we're gonna be doing an install on some headlights on the boy Artie's Sierra. I think this truck's been on the channel before. If you guys haven't seen it, here it is. It's currently on some race stars because he's a fast boy. Don't pay attention to the mess. He likes to go off-roading. But we're gonna be doing some Sierra headlights, guys. We're gonna be upgrading his stock ones with some of these chrome LED ones. As you can tell, they have the LED strip. We're gonna do the top ones, and then the bottom ones are just gonna be regular chrome ones. Clean. We'll do a little side by side. We'll probably do the passenger side first. That way you guys can see the difference. And then we'll show you guys the final install at the end. So what he did is removed a little pin right here, straight out, makes the whole bracket loose, and then you just unplug everything. Pretty simple. Alright, and then we find the right side, which is, I'm guessing it's this one. And for these guys, we're gonna have a little extra step just because they have the LED bar, so we gotta wire these to the running lights. They sent us some of these adapters so we can wire everything in. And it came with a little ballast. Make sure everything runs good and doesn't overheat. So, alright guys, for this bottom one, all you gotta do is push in this little pin. That's gonna be right here. You push this in, pop it out, and then you undo all your bulbs like you did the top one. Then we're gonna, you can go ahead and put that in there, and we're gonna splice that into here.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, so we did a little test and everything's working. So pretty much the gray wire is going to be your positive, the black one's going to be your negative. As you can tell, it comes with little instruction sheets. The only thing it doesn't tell you is which one is positive and which is negative on the headlight of the Silverado. So as you can tell, the positive is going to the brown wire and the negative is going to the black wire. So black with black, gray with brown. Remember that. Don't do nothing with the blue. It comes with the little splice tools, which makes everything much easier. Everything's connected. You just want to put everything back inside and pull your bulbs onto the new bottom one, as you can tell. Compare these real quick, new with old. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one, and then you want to leave this little protective film until you're done installing everything so you don't scratch anything. And then we went ahead and put in both of these pins that lock the housing in. Sometimes you'll have a little bit of trouble with this one just to get it all the way through, but it should be fine. Artie's gonna work his magic and put all these bulbs back into place. Ooh, you got it. Nice. Alright guys, to make it easier, you probably want to do this first and then put this one on. That way you have room to put all the plugs back in. So then you just want to clamp it over there, and then you want to push into the pin. Oops. Alright guys, you can tell this is going to be the after and the before. Nice. Clean. Look at that. Nice. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do this side, but we won't show you because it's gonna be the same thing as this side. So you're just gonna replicate everything, and then we'll do a little montage video. Last thing to do pretty much after you're done installing the headlights is make sure you guys adjust the height and the way the headlight is positioned. There's 2 bolts. So there's gonna be this one adjusts the way the headlight sits in or out. And then there's gonna be another one in here. That one adjusts the way the headlight is tilted. So you guys want to adjust those 2 until you guys figure out your alignment on the headlights, and then you guys should be ready to go. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Subscribe to Dope Stuff.
Perfect.